Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the cabin and gathering the right tools so the job moves quickly. First, disconnect any 12V devices and open the center armrest. Remove the fabric liners and cup holder inserts so you can see fasteners. Use a trim tool to pry the small plastic bezels and expose screws. There are usually 8mm or 10mm bolts and a couple of Torx screws. Once those are removed, keep fasteners organized. You'll need them during reassembly and to avoid scrambling later. Once the trim and cup holders are clear, unbolt the console mounting points. There are forward and rear bolts and one beneath the storage bin. Make sure to support the console with your other hand while loosening so it doesn't drop and pinch wiring. Next, gently pry up the shifter bezel. You'll find electrical connectors for power outlets, USB, and possibly seat heaters. Disconnect each connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight out. After unplugging, lift the rear edge to release clips, then slide the console back and off the mounting studs. You can now lift the console clear of the floor. Guide any wiring harnesses through the opening so nothing is stretched or snagged. Place the console on a padded surface to avoid scratches. If reinstalling, loosely thread all bolts first to confirm alignment, then torque to factory feel. Plug connectors back in and test outlets, lights, and shifter functions before snapping trim back. If the console won't budge, double-check for hidden screws under mats or inside cubbies and make sure connectors are fully disconnected. Use a flashlight to inspect tight spots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.